Welcome to Project 1 by Matthew Minchuk. I'll just start by explaining the layout of my graph, or my app, a little bit. It's pretty much a simple graph app, and it's got a couple of controls on the little right side. Some of the fonts in the scaled down version are kind of cut off. That's just because I made it for the wall, and this is running on my desktop. But we have an add button, which just adds a new graph to the display, and it takes it from area mode into single line mode, so you can see the graphs overlapping with each other. The clear button takes all the graphs off and puts it back into area mode. Then we have some drop downs for the min and max years. We have drop downs for the region and the country. The way this works is if we're in North America, all the countries displayed in the country one are only the countries in North America and not the rest of them. So if we go back to world, then you have all the countries in the world. But yeah. And then we have our little tabs for our data sets. You just click on those, you can see the different data sets. Then we have little checkboxes over here. If you want to see the per capita for these two available data sets, you can check that, and it'll switch over for you. The percentage is available for all four, so if you click the percentage while you're there. Now we're in world, so the percent of the world is 100, as you can see. That's our little touch implementation for the screen. You just touch and it shows the specific X value for that, or the Y value for that year, and it moves with where the touch is. So now let's add some graphs to the display. Let's do primary energy consumption for the world. Let's add that. So it just makes a copy pretty much. So it copied the world, and now it's displaying the current one as well. So now if we change the region to North America, it displays the world and the current one, which is North America, in black. So now if you click that, the North America is the current one. It displays a little darker. World is the lighter, I guess, purplish color. Now if you want to see a specific country, let's actually add North America to our graph first. Now we have two North Americas. And then switch our current graph to United States. You can see how all three of them compare to each other. We have United States, North America, and world. Now just to demonstrate the year, let's move this from 1990 to 2010. It just does a little shift and changes the widths of everything. Let's put that back to 1980. I guess we could do it for the 2 value too. Do it to 2000. It shows the values there. And you could do all of your comparisons with those features. And if you don't know how to use the app, I have a little help button over here. It's got credits in there too. This is taken from my website. It has the labels, what everything does, the credits. I got the Control P5 to use the drop down in the checkbox, and I started from the milk tea coffee example that was given in class. And the last thing is the exit button, which I hope you've enjoyed my video presentation, but I'm going to show you how to use the exit button now. Have a good one.